Po to all my colleagues from Xiaomi, to all our media guests, collaborators, good evening and welcome to the Xiaomi Philippines March 2025 launch. 2024 has been an incredible year for Xiaomi. We have achieved record-breaking growth as a company, bringing new innovations, launching new products, and most importantly, connecting to our users deeper. In 2024, Xiaomi was considered one of Time's most influential companies all over the world, along with Interbrand's top 100 best global brands of the year. The launch of our new strategic vision, Human Car Home, played an integral role in pushing us further than ever before. And over the year, a lot of progress has been made. As we know, Human refers to our most personal computing centers like our smartphones. And talking about smartphones, we are very proud to say that Xiaomi maintains its top spot as the top 3 smartphone brand worldwide, with a 15% year-on-year sell-in growth, the highest amongst the top 3. And of course, locally, we are very proud to share that Xiaomi is also the 3rd ranked smartphone brand in 2024 with 46% year-on-year growth according to Canalys. Our other computing devices like tablets, wearables have also steadily paved the way in their respective markets. For cars, as you can see there, Xiaomi officially entered the EV market last March, beginning sales of the Xiaomi SU7. In under a year's time, we have already delivered 180,000 vehicles in China. And this is an incredible feat in such a short amount of time. At the end of last year, our Xiaomi SU7 Ultra prototype also broke records in Europe. Our home ecosystem has grown to over 860 million connected devices around the world. And we can't wait to see how much further we get. A massive part of all these achievements that we have made in the past year is because of our relentless pursuit to continue investing in innovation. Xiaomi will look to invest 30 billion RMB in the year 2025 for R&D. At Xiaomi, we have also looked to be responsible and do our best to protect our environment. For consecutive years, we have been recognized for our green actions, ranking in the global top 2% of EcoVadis with a gold rating. And for today's launch, we're bringing you with the latest update. To start off, I am very proud to announce this is the Xiaomi HyperOS 2. We've made huge improvements across the board. It's faster, smoother, and smarter than ever. And first, when we talk about fast, we mean faster across the board. We're talking about Xiaomi HyperCore's foundational technology across architecture, graphics, networking, and security. This makes for more improvements in system speed performance, like reducing delay for critical tasks, making everyday use seem faster and smoother than ever. But it's not just their smartphone experience. Improvements to the HyperCore extend to more products like your smartwatches and tablets as well. Lastly, HyperCore enables us to provide a new aesthetic experience. With improvements to rendering technology, visuals look faster and feel smoother. Well, what does this actually look like? First off, we are opening new ways for you to imagine your lock screens. Cinematic Lock Screen makes full use of the new rendering upgrades and artificial intelligence. By accurately extracting elements such as depth, text background, fusion, highlighting effects, you can easily turn a precious video of your pet into an incredibly cinematic lock screen that you can see every day. Cinematic Lock Screen opens up the new and playful ways to relive your favorite memories. The overall visual experience of the Xiaomi HyperOS 2 introduces a completely new aesthetic that feels alive. I think that keyword we should always remember. We want to make it feel and look alive. It's incredibly smooth. It's realistic. It's intuitive. And across all your Xiaomi devices, it never looked even better. HyperCore is the underlying technology of OS 2 that will make your experience that much better. Now, let's talk about how we've made cross-device experience smoother than ever. We introduced Xiaomi HyperConnect last year, and we've greatly improved the overall performance of your connected experience with faster transfer speeds, cross-screen sync rates, and more. But really, our goal is to make this cross-device experience as easy for you to use and accessible as possible. And we have some awesome features that we want to share. This is the Home Screen Plus 2.0. It lets you get access to your smartphone device's screen and functionality straight from your Xiaomi Pad. If you want to enjoy your content on the big screen, you just have to drag and drop the app into your Xiaomi Pad. And when you're done, you can even pin the smartphone app onto your pad so you can easily access it the next time. Next, combined cameras opens up all new possibilities for live streaming. I know all of you, or most of you guys will understand that it takes a lot of equipment and manpower to live stream, right, effectively. But with combined cameras, we've made live streaming incredibly easy, and the experience is so seamless. From your Xiaomi Pad, or even between multiple Xiaomi smartphones, you just get access to other devices' camera and just get going. Whether you're teaching people how to do things, just chilling out, or sharing your creativeness in the world, it's never been this easier. Also, we're making sure that this connected experience can be enjoyed by more people. And guess what? Xiaomi HyperConnect now works with select Apple devices, from file sharing, screen mirroring, and even more. Xiaomi is extremely proud of all the devices available in the market, and we can't wait for more of you to experience a smooth and connected experience that we're bringing with HyperOS 2. Lastly, let's talk about the smart experience. Introducing the Xiaomi Hyper AI. Our new AI experience. Xiaomi Hyper AI was developed to make your everyday productivity more powerful and more personal than ever. Through text, speech, search, and image generation. So let's start first with text. AI writing can assist you with everything from generating text, creating summaries, polishing select text, and more. Now, this is an example from a personal experience. Have any of you been in a tight spot where you forgot to prepare a speech for something? Well, in my case, it was for Daniel's birthday. AI writing helped generate exactly what I needed to save me from some embarrassment. And what if you're texting and feel like your language is just a bit too formal? AI writing can help you adjust to a friendlier tone. And for the majority of us here, AI writing will probably get most of its use by helping us generate and polish our social posts. Next, let's talk about speech. AI speech recognition is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to convert speech to text with speaker recognition, after which it can help you generate a summary of the message. AI subtitles are awesome to use, particularly when you're abroad. Whether it's calling or face-to-face, you get real-time translation to make communicating with others that much easier. For search, we're making it easier than ever to find that lost picture or file. It's by, because AI search supports searching in natural language, making it a lot more convenient to find what you need. And when it comes to image generation, AI art can turn ordinary or just bad sketches into amazing works of art. Pick a style, add a description, and just be amazed. And what's even cooler, if there's just a small part of that generated image that you don't want, you can edit specific parts, like choosing a longer hairstyle rather than short. AI art is super smart, it's super strong tool for us to create. And what if you already have an existing image, say a wallpaper that you feel it would look much better if it was more lively? Well, AI dynamic wallpapers turns your still wallpapers into dynamic, lively animations. And lastly, AI Creativity Assistant built into your gallery provides an extensive toolkit of AI photo editing tools, so you can make the best of every moment. Now, we couldn't end without quickly talking about security. Xiaomi has worked extensively with Google to ensure that your use of the amazing AI tools that we talked about earlier is safe and secure. How do we do that? With multiple layers of encryption and protection, you can feel safe using the devices without unnecessarily exposing your personal data. Let's take a last look at the Xiaomi Hyper AI.
I expect no excuses. The press releases must be on my desk by 5:30. Market announcement. You get my point.
Of course, got it. 5:30.
Necesito algún huevo. ¿Quién quiere decirlo?
What do you think?
I have no idea.
ASAP.
Okay, Xiaomi Hyper AI delivers an industry-leading AI experience, helping make your productivity more powerful and personal. Xiaomi 15, the product that we'll be launching today, will be coming with a full fleet of Google Gemini features, like Gemini Overlay to access Gemini without switching apps, or Gemini Live, where you can have an honest conversation and talk things out, and more Gemini features as well. So, to summarize, Xiaomi Hyper OS 2 comes with incredible new experiences, from a faster system to smoother cross-device connection to a smarter device in your hands. And we can't wait for all of you to try it out. Now, in 2025, we are looking to reach all new heights with our most premium experiences. Our push in the premium market has never been
Tell you more about our most powerful devices and experiences.